In this video, I will show you how to empty Recycle Bin on Windows 11. This should be a quick and easy tutorial to follow, but before we do continue, please consider leaving a like on the video and also subscribing to the channel. I really do appreciate it. So basically, whenever you delete something on your PC, whether that's like a file, a folder, an image, a document, it all goes into your Recycle Bin. Of course, this still clutters up your PC and it still uses up space. So to permanently delete files and folders, you want to make sure that you do empty your Recycle Bin. Now you can find your Recycle Bin on your desktop. You can see the icon here. And to go ahead and empty this, there's two ways. What you can do is right click onto the Recycle Bin, and on this menu that comes up, you can see we've got an option here to empty Recycle Bin. Alternatively, what you can do is double click to open up your Recycle Bin. You can go through and check the files and folders to make sure there's nothing in there that you've accidentally deleted. And if you're happy to go ahead, again, you can see the option at the top to empty Recycle Bin. So just give that a click. That's going to empty your Recycle Bin and delete permanently all the files in your Recycle Bin. So that is how to empty your Recycle Bin on Windows 11. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute. Thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.